It's been rumored that Spider-Man Homecoming star Tom Holland is currently in a relationship with his co-star Zendaya, but they've both come out and laughed it off. The young actors have used the power of social media to slam the rumor, first made by People magazine, that they're in the midst of a budding romance. The report claimed they've been careful to keep it private and out of the public eye, but they've gone on vacations with each other and try to spend as much time as possible with one another. To which Zendaya tweeted that she hasn't been on a vacation in years, and Tom responded, "Does the press tour count?" Back on July 7th, shortly before the premiere of the film, Tom said that they were like best friends and he called Zendaya great and amazing. So they may not be in a relationship, but one day they might be. Splash News TV. We keep up with a lot more than just the Kardashians. Subscribe and like us. You know you want to.